Good morning, everybody. Today is October 6th, and this will be the fifth of the 31 Windows Tech Tips for the month of October challenge for the Black Christian Geek. Today's tip will be surrounding the Clipboard Manager. If you can really grasp this concept, this is one of those tips that if you can incorporate this into your workflow, it will really help increase your productivity. So a couple of questions I purpose to answer. First of all, what is a clipboard or what is a clipboard manager? Whether you realize it or not, every operating system has a clipboard. iOS on your iPhone, iPad, Android devices, Mac OS on Macs, as well as Windows. So here you see I have the Clipboard Manager pulled up. So what is a Clipboard Manager? Clipboard Manager manages text, pictures, or anything that you've copied on your computer. Well, the issue or the challenge or the problem is one and done. When you copy one thing, and I'll show you as an example. So I'm going to copy this. So once I copy this, if I open Word, I can then paste it. Easy peasy, right? Control V, shortcut key, to paste it. But here's the challenge. If I were to go to a website, I'm gonna say MSN, and copy something else, Associated Press, just randomly pick the story. So I'm gonna right click and copy image. So when I copy that image, and if I go back to Word and I paste, I can paste that image. But if I needed what I copied the first time, it would be gone. So here's the trick. Now, how to turn on the Clipboard Manager. If you press the Windows key on the keyboard and V as in Victor, it brings this up. And this works both on Windows 10 and Windows 11, but I'm gonna show you some bonus features for Windows 11 that Windows 10 doesn't have. So you click the Windows key on the keyboard, V as in Victor, and then if you press turn on, just like that, it turns on. So the last thing copied, it automatically pastes and saves to the clipboard. But now if I go back to my original text, I highlight it again, come down, and I'm gonna say copy, and I'm gonna go back to the website. This time I'll select a different article, still President Biden, but nevertheless a different article. So now I'm going to select more text. So I select this text and copy. And once I copy this, now if I press Windows key V, you see where I've copied several rounds of text and that picture. So now it's saving multiple things. And see if I can get a different picture. Right click and copy image. It looked like a picture of Dak when he got hurt. And likewise, so I'm pressing Windows key V again. So now you see I got the picture of Dak, picture of the president, and all the other text I copied. So now if I go back to my Word document, I pasted that picture. So now if I need to paste some of that text, I can move that picture down. Like I say, Windows key V comes up, and I can paste that text I selected, and I can say something like, And now if I Windows key V, I can paste that picture that. So what happens is it pushes the president picture down. The Clipboard Manager, now that I've turned it on, is tracking multiple copies and paste. I can paste multiple copied text and images from within the clipboard by pressing Windows key V. And by the way, if you press Control V, it'll paste it. And that's available both in Windows 10 and Windows 11. But here's the bonus for Windows 11. Two bonuses. The first is, if you look up here, you click this, it shows the recent emojis I've used, or you can do a search and say happy, and it brings up the animated GIFs. And if you wanted to paste one of those, you can select the dancing baby, let's say. So I go back here, I click on that favorite. So now I'm back in my Word document, and I select that baby again, and now it pastes that into the document. That's those extra emojis that's here at the top is only available in Windows 11. This is not available in Windows 10 currently. And also, if you go to the faces, it allows you to select different skin tones. Bonus number 2 for Windows 11. If you click on the start button and go to settings and type clip and select clipboard settings, you can sync across multiple devices. This is a feature I had long wanted for some time that originally did not exist. Again, this doesn't exist on Windows 10, but on Windows 11, when you select automatically sync text that I copy, now if you're signed in, say, to your laptop and your desktop using the same account, it will sync that copied text across both platforms. So that's tip for today. I know it's longer than 90 seconds, but I wanted to take my time to really explain the benefits of the Clipboard Manager. If you can grasp that concept and work that into your workflow, I think it would increase your productivity drastically. So again, I'm Richard L. Scott, the Black Christian Geek. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this beneficial, please share this channel with your friends and family. Consider giving us a thumbs up and a like on Facebook. Subscribe on YouTube. And again, thanks for watching, and God bless.